Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove emojis from your video clips on Capcut. So let's get started. If you regularly use Capcut as your video editor and you have one of your video contains a emojis, so you want to delete the emoji, you can do it. So search one of your video, for example this one. I do have one project with emoji. So there is no a feature that can, if you tap this video, there is no eraser or something else that can erase this emoji. But if you tap on the blank space, you can tap on text. This one, as you can see, there is an orange bar. You can delete completely this emoji by tap on cross icon here, and done. The emoji is now gone. So you can also add a text here if you want, or you can add effect, fonts, animations as you wish. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.